Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer, a content creator, or a power user looking for a laptop that delivers massive performance, huge storage, AI-boosted speed, and next-generation graphics, then today's video is for you. We're taking a deep dive into the MSI Vector 16HX AI gaming laptop, one of the most powerful mid-range performance monsters on Amazon right now. This machine is built for players who want desktop-level performance in a portable design powered by the new Intel Ultra 7 255HX, a huge 64GB of DDR5 RAM, a massive 4TB PCIe SSD, and the mighty NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. If you're watching this, check the Amazon affiliate link in the description for the latest price, deals, and availability. It helps support the channel. Let's jump in. Let's start with the design. The MSI Vector 16HX comes in a sleek Cosmo Gray finish that looks modern without being overly flashy. It's got clean lines, sharp angles, and a premium chassis that feels durable and solid, perfect for gamers who like a stealth performance look rather than RGB shining everywhere. The hinge is sturdy, the ventilation is aggressive, and the laptop is clearly engineered for high performance and cooling efficiency. MSI is well known for their thermal engineering, and the Vector series continues that reputation. This machine isn't ultra lightweight because it's built for power, but it's still portable enough for travel, school, LAN parties, or working on the go. The MSI Vector 16 features a 16-inch FHD plus 1920 by 1200 display with a smooth 140 Hz refresh rate. 140 Hz is fantastic for fast-paced gaming like shooters, racing games, and esports titles. You get less motion blur, smoother animations, and a responsive competitive edge. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical screen space, which is great not only for gaming, but also for video editing, programming, streaming, and productivity tasks. Colors are vibrant, viewing angles are solid, and the overall visual experience is excellent for a performance gaming laptop. Now let's talk power, and this laptop has a lot of it. Inside, we have the Intel Ultra 7 255HX, one of Intel's high-performance hybrid processors from their new generation. This chip is designed for AI workloads, gaming, multitasking, and heavy content creation. Whether you're streaming while gaming, editing 4K or even 6K video, running large coding environments, working with 3D modeling or simulations, doing AI-assisted workflows, this CPU delivers fast, responsive performance without breaking a sweat. Merging performance cores and efficiency cores allows the laptop to optimize workloads intelligently, giving you speed when you need it and efficiency when you don't. Now for the star of any gaming machine, the GPU. This laptop packs the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, a powerful next-gen graphics card that brings AI-driven rendering, ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and huge performance gains. With this GPU, you can expect smooth AAA gaming at high settings, excellent 1440p performance when using an external monitor, AI-enhanced frame rates using DLSS, improved lighting and shadows with ray tracing, and faster rendering in creative apps like Blender, Premiere, and DaVinci Resolve. This GPU is also great for streamers who want to play and broadcast at the same time thanks to NVIDIA's NVENC encoder. It's perfect for future-proof gaming and demanding workloads. One of the standout features of this MSI Vector model is the massive 64GB of DDR5 RAM. Most gaming laptops come with 16GB or maybe 32, but 64GB? That's workstation level. What does this mean for you? You can run dozens of Chrome tabs, work with massive video projects, do professional multitasking, handle heavy AI or 3D workloads, future-proof the laptop for years. You will almost never run out of memory. Storage is another huge highlight. This model comes with a gigantic 4 terabytes PCIe SSD. That's enough for multiple AAA game libraries, 4K or 6K raw video projects, large programming environments, tons of media files, and creative work assets. Plus, PCIe NVMe SSDs give you super fast boot times, near instant app launches, and incredibly fast loading in games. MSI gives you a 24-zone RGB keyboard, allowing you to personalize lighting effects without going overboard. The keys feel responsive, with great travel and satisfying feedback, ideal for both gaming and long typing sessions. The keyboard layout is clean and includes a number pad. The RGB can be customized through MSI Center, giving you full control over colors, brightness, and effects. This laptop uses MSI's advanced cooling design with multiple heat pipes and high-performance fans. The airflow is optimized to keep the CPU and GPU running efficiently even under heavy load. When you're gaming, editing, or rendering, you'll appreciate how well it maintains stable performance. The Vector series is known for not throttling easily, meaning you get the performance you paid for. The MSI Vector 16HX is loaded with ports: USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet, headphone jack, charging port, fast Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Whether you're connecting a gaming mouse, external monitors, VR gear, or streaming devices, you're covered. This is a gamer and creator-friendly setup. It comes with Windows 11 Pro, giving you advanced features for productivity, security, and work environments. MSI Center also lets you adjust performance modes, lighting, battery settings, fan curves, and more. The MSI Vector 16HX is perfect for gamers who want high frame rates and long-term performance, video editors and content creators, programmers, engineers, and 3D modelers, AI or machine learning hobbyists, professionals needing workstation-level specs, anyone who wants maximum power in a portable form. This is a laptop built for heavy workloads. If you want a laptop that blends incredible performance, massive storage, next-gen graphics, and a beautiful 16-inch display, the MSI Vector 16HX AI gaming laptop is an amazing choice. Check the Amazon affiliate link in the description for the latest price, deals, and availability. They change often. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a comparison with other gaming laptops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.